Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I will be reviewing this viral purple mask, which is from Foxtail. It's the viral purple skin radiance mask, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा viral भी हो रखा था थोड़े टाइम पहले. Even the celebrities, I think राजकुमार राव ने इसको use करा है, and most of the influencers have already used this mask. And मैंने सोचा just मैं भी एक वीडियो बनाती हूँ and give you my honest review about this mask. And वैसे मैंने एक short video while applying this mask for the very first time भी upload करी है on my YouTube channel, so you can watch that video as well. And now I have used this mask for 2 to 3 times, so I think I have good opinions about this mask, and I can confidently review this mask. So with that being said, let's just quickly start our video. Okay, so let me just quickly brief you about this mask. So the very active ingredients which are present in this mask are Brazilian purple clay, kaolin clay, and lactic acid. Now let's talk about the function of each of these ingredients. So let's talk about Brazilian clay. So it's a natural mineral, and it comes in different color, and because this is in purple color, so it's a purple clay, and it is from Brazil, so that's why it's called as a Brazilian purple clay. And its function is to detoxify your skin, pores, उनमें से dirt निकालना, oil balance करना. So this is how the Brazilian clay works. Now we have kaolin clay. So it's a gentle white clay. It's one of the mildest form of clay that you use in your skincare routine. It's very gentle. It doesn't strip the natural oil from your skin. It exfoliates. It deeply cleanses your pores, remove the dirts, and then give you the glow and brighten up your skin a little bit. So it's very, very gentle. And then we have lactic acid, which also exfoliates your skin. It removes the dirts. It provides hydration to your skin, and it deeply cleanses your pores as well. So these are the active ingredients which are present in this clay mask. And if we see the ingredient list, then the surprising thing for me was that lactic acid is there in the second last ingredient, or the third last, I think. Yeah, lactic acid. So you can guess the quantity of the lactic acid present in this clay mask. The ingredient which is which present in large amount in this product is aqua, kaolin, glycerine, and then so on. You can read the ingredient. Yeah, you have to apply a thin layer evenly into your clean and dry skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so I have used this purple clay mask 2 times in a week. Now let's talk about my personal opinion and my personal review about this Foxtail mask. So see, they are claiming that it will be suitable for all skin types, and the quantity is 75 grams. Sorry, I forgot to mention it. So according to me, I think it will not suit on all skin types. I have a dry sensitive skin, and whenever I have used this mask, I did not feel any glow, anything which was not there before using this mask, because I have a dry skin. And basically masks are meant for removing the dirt from your pores, blackheads. So luckily I have a dry skin, I have a dry sensitive skin, so I hardly get any blackheads. And my friends always used to say me that you have a very good skin, you don't have blackheads. But I know about my skin is very sensitive. I get allergy, I get sunburns. It's not that I am blessed with a very good skin. My skin has its own problems, but it's just that this clay mask doesn't work with my skin, because I rarely get blackheads. So, and also after applying this clay mask on my skin, when I first applied this mask, I felt a lot of sensation, and I was very confused whether it's a burning sensation or it's because of the menthol, it's a cooling sensation. I was very confused because I didn't want to give that review about this product that it's giving a burning sensation. But now I have realized that it was giving me a burning sensation, a little bit burning sensation, and then there were a lot of cooling sensation, like because of the menthol it has, right? So these are the things which I have observed about this mask. And now if I have to tell you that whether you should use this mask or not, then if you have an oily skin, then definitely you can, it might will help in removing the oil, the excess oil, and removing the dirt from your blackheads. But if you have a dry skin, then I don't think so you should use this mask. It provides the जो भी इफेक्ट इससे आते हैं, आई थिंक those you can get from the other mask as well, and it will cost you about 500 rupees, so I think it's not worth of money. Like, this is what I believe. And also, if you don't care about the price, and you just want to try this mask, then go ahead, give it a try. But yeah, let me just show. I'll obviously I can show you. Like, you can see I have used this mask, that's why it is a little ganda bhi. And I I don't feel excited for using this mask. You can see the quantity. I have used this 3 times. आई हैव अ स्मॉल फेस, तो मुझे थोड़ी सी एप्लीकेशन में हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट मुझे बहुत थिक लेयर अप्लाई करनी है या मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अप्लाई करना है. तो आई हैव अ स्मॉल फेस. मे बी कैमरा में नहीं लगता है, मैं थोड़ी मेच्योर लगती हूँ कैमरा में लुक्स वाइज, बट ऐसे मैं आई हैव अ वेरी रियली स्मॉल फेस and it's in purple color. So yeah guys, that's all about my review. If you wanna try it, then definitely you can give it a try. If you have an oily skin, then definitely आप इसको try कर लो. And if you have a dry skin, then you can think about it, because I also have a dry skin. And मतलब मुझे, and also one thing I forgot to tell you, that it has a lot of fragrance, like a lot. अगर आपको fragrance से problem है, then think about it before buying. सो या मेरा तो काम ही है प्रोडक्ट्स को ट्राई करना. माई जॉब इज टू रिव्यू द वायरल प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर you guys. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you really like my video, then let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. So yeah, take care. That's all about this video. Bye, take care.